Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to explain an introduction about how I'm going to make Revit videos in the upcoming days. So I'm welcoming you for the first beginner Revit tutorial. So if you are new here, please subscribe. So who I am? First of all, hey, my name is Ali and I'm an architecture student. I'm in my 5th year, so this year I will graduate, God be willing. So why I am teaching Revit? Why Revit? This is the question most of the people are asking. The answer is simple. I have suffered a lot from AutoCAD drawings because it takes too much to draw, and when you are drawing, it takes you too much. When you are drawing in AutoCAD, you are trying to draw just lines, isn't it? But in Revit, it's vice versa. Actually, you are giving an information to the things you are drawing or designing in Revit. Like in AutoCAD, there is no command for wall, but in Revit, there is a command called wall. So you can create walls and you can give information to it: how high it will be, how thick it will be, which materials will be used, and what is the cost of it. Plus, you will get the instant section of your plan, not like AutoCAD. This is the main thing that I want to share. Most of the time, the students that were not sleeping, actually they were just struggling to finish their work. But me, actually, I was finishing things before the night of the submissions. Like sometimes I was finishing it 1 week before, or 3 days before. Sometimes if I were very lazy, I was going to finish it a day before the submission. Do you see? This is my experience with Revit. It's a software, like if it's not exaggerating, it's like a software that's amazing for architecture and amazing for many engineers out there, like civil, like sometimes interior designers use it and try to calculate the materials and how much it will cost. So this is it. I hope you can enjoy my videos and see you in the next video. Goodbye.